me. I missed you guys so much. But first, let me say welcome, welcome, welcome to all of my supporters, all of the fam, all of my people out there in Loc Nation who've been rocking with your girl, okay? We're 10K strong over here. Yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into this update video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. Your girl back like cook, yeah. But anyway, so today's video is going to be a update video. We're gonna cover a couple of things. We're gonna cover where the hell your girl been the last damn year, okay? Briefly, we're gonna go there. And second, we're going to, I have a surprise for you guys. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Just give me a minute. I have a surprise for you guys. We're gonna cover that. All right, I'm gonna introduce you guys or expose to you guys that. Third, we're gonna go ahead and cover the direction of the channel because I know everybody wanna know, Kenyata, what the F is going on, cuz? Like, what's going on? Like, what is going on? We need the tutorials. We need this knowledge. We need to know what's going on. It's been a while, y'all. Listen, about to get into it. For all of my A1 day ones out there, you guys know, you may have heard me say in a previous video, like, I'm going to do 100 loc tutorials here on the YT. Yes, that is a fact, still remains the same. So if you've been watching my videos for a long time, you know that whenever I do loc tutorials, I always do loc tutorials on my locs. You guys have met my sister, my little sister Holly. I've done, I think, 2 loc tutorials with her hair. But both my sister and I, our hair is extremely long, and everyone out there in Loc Nation does not have the same length. And as you guys know, that I want to do 100 loc tutorials to begin with here on the YT. And when I do my own, I can only literally do 1 loc tutorial a month, okay? Because even though I want to reach this goal, I can't style my hair to the point that I start to damage my locks. So I'm like, I really had to step back and think to myself, how am I going to achieve this goal without fucking my hair up, excuse my French, or damaging my hair? Because y'all already know I say, don't retwist a lot, don't retwist tight. Everything should be comfortable. So long story short, I had to, you know, step back and reapproach from a different angle. And I have found that solution. I've been working on that solution for the last couple of months, okay? Couple of months. I want to reveal to you guys something, a project that I've been working on for the last couple of months, and I want you guys to be completely honest and tell me what you think about what I'm about to show you guys, okay? How do you feel about it? What do you think? But I came up with the solution because I feel that it's gonna help me reach that 100 loc tutorials that I want to give. I'm not sure if you ever saw anything like this here on the YT, but y'all about to say it's a day, okay? So long story short, what I've been working on is, it'd be better if I just show you guys. So here we have it. Here we have it. Okay, guys. Now for everybody out there, like, what is going on here? This is a mannequin head, okay? This is my mannequin head that I created. Do you guys see the details here? This, I'm pretty sure that you have never seen anything like this on YouTube. If you have, please comment down below and just share with me when. But guys, if for those of you guys who don't know, I created this mannequin head for you guys, for this channel, from scratch. When, honey, when? Do you see these locks? Do you see these locks. Yes, she is fierce. Okay, these are double strand twist here underneath the bottom. Do you guys see that? I created this mannequin head because I want to be able to style to the gods and really bring the loc tutorials, and I knew that I couldn't do that on my head, so I created this mannequin head to bring you guys the god work, okay? Bring you guys the work, okay? I am so proud of this. It took me a long time to do this. Now understand that I created this from scratch, okay? I handmade every last one of these super long locks from scratch, okay? Yes, I did. Name her. I want her to have a name, okay? Because we can't just be styling her hair to the gods and not have a name for her. So comment down below and let me know what you want, what you think I should name her. I wanted to let you guys name her because she is going to be on here a lot, okay? We're going to be styling these locks to the gods, okay? And I'm going to be bringing you guys all of that work, okay? Now, stay tuned here, guys, because I'm going to be showing you guys how I created. The next 2 videos after this one is going to be showing you guys how I created this mannequin head with locks. There's going to be a 2-part series on how I created this mannequin head. I'm going to be showing you first how I created these locks, how to create these locks, and part 2 is going to be how I attach the locks to this mannequin head. So if you want to know how I did it, please stay tuned for the upcoming video because I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this beautiful loc mannequin head. And y'all, let me know what y'all think, okay? Let me know what y'all think about it. Do you guys like it, love it, or not so much? Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you never miss a upload from your girl. Subscribe, comment down below, and let me know what you think I should name her. And also comment down below and let me know what you think about me creating my loc tutorials using my mannequin head, which I'm gonna do. Let me know what you think about it because it's just something that I felt was necessary for my channel because I want to give you guys the business for real. Here, stay tuned for my 2-part series, how I created this mannequin with locks, and after that I will be giving you guys the loc tutorial. So drop your suggestions down below. What would you like to see? What kind of loc tutorials would you like to see? I have a lot coming for you guys, some never before seen. But anyway, I'm blabbering and I'm going to stop now. It's your girl Kenyata here. Peace.